Amazon is one of the few companies that has grown during the COVID pandemic, with workers considered essential to meet the increased demand for online goods. But the company has also faced criticism around its care of its employees.
Cronkite News reporter Mackenzie Allen Charmley has more on the steps the company has taken in Arizona to improve access to healthcare workers during the pandemic and beyond.
Amazon is partnering with Crossover Health to open health clinics near some of its fulfillment centers. The goal is to provide more accessible health care for employees and their families. Amazon is opening 20 clinics like this in Arizona and 4 other states in an effort to provide better health care for employees closer to where they work. The pilot project just happened to be in the works before the pandemic hit.
This wasn't a reaction to COVID-19, but it certainly was a fortunate silver lining that we were standing by with a healthcare solution and with virtual care solutions embedded.
The 3 Phoenix clinics are in cities home to over 50,000 Amazon employees and their families.
We looked at zip codes for where people live. And so we were very strategic about saying, okay, well, Maryville is a great example. That is a very strong concentration of where our employees live.
With locations in Tolleson, Maryville, and Tempe, the online shopping giant is trying to bring more effective health care right to the doorstep of its workers. The centers offer everything from primary care to physical therapy at extended hours to help workers who get off after other doctors' offices have closed.
I'm able to get off work at, say, when I get off work at 7 o'clock, they're still open and I can still have that appointment. I don't have to wait until another day to see a primary physician.
Crossover Health says its goal is to focus not just on physical health, but on other aspects of wellness.
I think a lot of people think it's purely clinical, your annual physical, your flu shot, things like that, but also some of the community resources that are really important to this Amazon population. We have a strong care navigation team that goes into regions and researches what kind of resources are available to some of the clients as far as, housing support, financial support, food, shelter, things like that not everyone thinks about when they think about primary care, but all of that, for us, is a part of wellness.
Amazon has faced criticism in the past over the care and safety of its employees. In October, it reported that over 19,000 employees in the U.S. had tested positive for COVID-19. And last year, warehouse workers staged a nationwide protest saying the company had failed to do enough to protect them against the virus. Amazon officials say they are invested in helping support their workers through the pandemic and hope the centers serve as just one way to help improve well-being.
This is really just taking it to that next level and saying, giving someone benefits is now it's being packaged with giving someone the convenient ability to use those benefits.
In addition to Arizona, clinics are opening in Texas, Kentucky, Michigan, and California. But if the project is successful, Amazon says it will look to opening more clinics in other places. In the broadcast center, Mackenzie Allen Charmley, Cronkite News.